What's up, UHS hardware fans? Today we're looking at the Automotive Remote Flip Key Roll Pin Press. This right here is an Xhorse flip key. And what we want to do is remove that pin right there. And we're going to show you using this tool right here. What you want to do is turn that dial to the appropriate selection that you need. In order to know what selection you want to take one of the needles provided and match it up to that pin right there. Once you found the right size, insert it into the proper cylinder and line it up directly with the push tool. Once that's installed and aligned, take your key, flip it open but not fully, enough to where you can get the pin in there, slowly push the needle down, and once it's fully aligned, press it through. The pin is out and you can see right through the key. All you need to do now is remove the key. Once we're ready to reinstall the pin, we will go ahead and grab the cylinder that is provided in the box, put it in the slot, and align it up properly. Grab the pin and insert it in. It's magnetic, so it will stay in the cylinder. Grab the new key, insert it where it needs to be. Make sure it's perfectly aligned. Go ahead and press. Once that's pushed right through, you're all set.